Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe of chicken toast casserole. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need finely chopped green bell pepper, finely chopped red bell pepper, finely chopped onion, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped boneless chicken, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of red chili and half teaspoon of black pepper, 250 ml of cream. We need corn, about 3 tablespoons, cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. We need bread and mozzarella cheese. Here I took a frying pan. I have added oil and onion. Now stir until they turn into golden brown color. Now add chicken. Mix it well and then let it cook for about 2 minutes. Now add garlic paste. Now add salt, red chili powder and black pepper. Mix them well. Now add green bell pepper, red bell pepper and corn. Now cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now add coriander and mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. Now mix it well and our filling is ready. Now we will prepare the cream mixture. Add 250 ml of cream and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Add half cup of water. Now mix it well. Add pinch of salt. Now take slice of bread and remove the sides. Now by using rolling pin we will flatten the bread. Now we need prepared filling, medium-sized casserole, prepared cream mixture and we need mozzarella cheese. Take a slice of bread, add 1 tablespoon of the filling and then fold it. Repeat the same for all others. Now we will add cream mixture. Add mozzarella cheese. Now bake it for about 10 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius temperature. As you can see, chicken toast casserole is ready and it is really looking delicious. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.